penzi lako niko kali kama nyembe. You draw me off my feet and unanipiga kama pombe. Don't wanna shit to mommy first, then shit to daddy last. Hold on, you my threat, vale.
1, 2, 3, let's go. You give me everything and you don't say I must give you back.
Sengangu mulungi ono mukwano gwange gwenonze mbanje era nga nkusaba olunaku luli we lutuuka nyanjula eri amakulu
Sipendi kukupenda kwenye na mshifuba kwenye